Welcome to this over-the-shoulder session where we'll show how to automatically optimize a camera ISP to improve computer vision accuracy in just hours or days versus today's much lengthier manual tuning approaches. Now, designing and tuning cameras for visual image quality is hard enough for expert imaging teams, but doing so for best computer vision performance is not possible with today's approaches. I look forward to introducing how we can apply the Atlas Camera Optimization Suite to address this challenging problem. My name is Marc Courtemanche, and I'm product architect for Atlas at Algolux, an AI and computer vision software company based in Montreal with offices in Palo Alto and Munich. So why is camera ISP tuning so hard? Looking at a typical camera system, it consists of a lens, sensor, and an image signal processor tasked with producing an image to send to a display or computer vision model. The ISP has a massive parameter space that ultimately controls the image quality for that lens sensor configuration to produce a visually pleasing image. Unfortunately, manual ISP parameter tuning requires imaging experts and heavy effort to achieve good visual image quality. Since good image quality is subjective, it is hard to know when you are done. And since ISPs are designed and tuned for viewing, this approach can't provide the optimal output for computer vision, leading to potential vision failures. Quoting one of our customers, optimizing the ISP using objective computer vision metrics is the only viable approach.